Hey, what's going on? So, today we're going to take a look at a Maytag. This is an 8,000 BTU Maytag. Digital display, obviously. Yeah, so it's made by Fetters, of course. I get a lot of these in the 5,000 size, but not as many bigger ones like this. I got this off the street. It's in pretty good shape. Panels are damaged. This one's broken off at the bottom. The other one's cracked off underneath there. Other than that, it's in pretty good shape. I might have some panels that will fit this. This one has a Sanyo compressor, which is pretty good compressor. The smaller ones usually have like a Ricci or something along that line. Labels all faded off, but these usually have Chinese fan motors in them, I believe. So, this has a price tag on it, $60. I have seen these price tags before. I think it's from a thrift store around here. So somebody paid $60 for this at some point, which that's way overpriced in my opinion for a 20-year-old Maytag. I would not pay $60 for this. $20 would be a more reasonable price. It's way too much. You know, the thing's 20 years old. So, let's turn it on. Yeah, thrift stores around here are really overpriced. I never go in them. So that's low. The fan on this is very, very strong. This would be the high setting on a different air conditioner. Compressor sounds good. It got a little bit of metallic noise. I think that'll go away once it gets running, warmed up. Probably be a little quieter. I only ran this for a few minutes before. Alright, so that's low. That's high. The high is like sitting next to a freeway. It's very, very strong wind noise. There's low again. So yeah, it just has two speeds, high, low, and auto. There's not a lot of features on this. It's got a timer and that's it. So I already loosened the grill on this so we can just pull it off. There's the label. This is a Fetters. I don't know if I said that already. It's a Fetters air conditioner. It does work quite well. The coil's ice cold top to bottom. Got an ant crowing on there. These Maytags aren't bad. They're definitely not quiet. I would say that. Even the smaller ones are kind of noisy. Definitely not one of my favorite air conditioners. But they do hold up a long time, and they work well. Other than, you know, being a little noisy, they're not bad. So, there you go. That's a Maytag. 8,000 BTU. Unknown date. See you next time.